Hello today. Let's talk about your speed limiter on your Audi A4 or S4 car. The speed above approximately 30 km per hour, the speed limiter helps to prevent the driver from exceeding a set cut-off speed. It's easy, of course, to use that, and it will save money because you can make a setup, a clear setup, and you will never be too fast again. Yeah, it's easy. The indicator lamp in the center lights up as soon as we switch on the speed limiter. We have speed limiter displays. It comes with a passive mode, but the cutoff speed has not yet been set. There is no number in it. Or we have a speed limiter in passive mode, and the cutoff speed has been stored. This is with a number in it. And the speed limiter is active is the LIM is green when the speed limiter is applied. We are going to switch on that by pull the lever to us. First, of course, we should switch between the limiter and between the cruise control. And if we choose with the limiter button on top, the limiter function, we can enable it by pull it to us. And the set button will give us an information about how fast we are going to get the limiters. To switch off, we pull it through the front, and to switch off completely, we go behind the first line if we pull it, okay? And to increase the speed level or to go down with the speed level, we can use the lever on left side near your steering wheel to accelerate or to go up with the limiter speed, or go down to go down with the speed option. Okay, so you can use it. Let's try it now. The speed limiter is enabled now, and I push down the accelerator pedal, and you can see here now we are at or over the limiter. That means if I make a kick down, the limiters will rise up and gives us an information about that we are too fast as we set up before. Override means that. The override speed limiter is temporarily. We press the accelerator fully past the point of resistance. That means kick down feature. The speed limiter is suspending temporarily. The indicator lamp LIM for limiter flashes while the system is deactivated. The cutoff speed setting will remain stored. The system is reactivated automatically as soon as speed drops below the original storage settings. So then it will go again, and we can push down the accelerator lever, or the accelerator will stay there with the preset limiter function, of course. Go up, go down. You can change the cutoff speed. To increase or reduce the cutoff speed, we go down, briefly push it up or down. To increase or reduce the cutoff speed in steps of 10 km, we briefly push the lever 2 levels upward or downwards. To increase or reduce the cutoff speed continuously, we push the lever 1 or 2 levels upward and or downwards, and hold the lever until the desired speed is reached. So you can change the cutoff speed. And of course, switch off, easy, push the lever, and then it will be temporarily off. If you go switch off completely, we push the lever over the first thing, go to the seconds, push, and then it is off. So you have two options to switch it off. Of course, switch off the ignition, that's one, and the other is push the lever down. First action means temporarily, second action means completely off, switching the limiter function. To switch it on again, of course, you can save the limiter option again while using the set button. the current speed or go up and down and set them the speed which you like for the limiter. Easy peasy, isn't it? That's how to use the limiter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!